Hey y'all, today on Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit, we're gonna make you some pulled chicken on our workhorse offset. So we have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. We're just gonna clean these up. There's about 6 pounds chicken here. I just wanna get some of this heavy fat off of these. You know, stuff that ain't really gonna render. Just try to get it off best you can. You don't have to be perfect. We're just gonna go through these and then we'll show you how we're gonna season them. Okay, we got these thighs cleaned up about as good as we want. We're gonna get these seasoned up and take them out and put them on our smoker. Today we're using Heath Riles Garlic Jalapeño as like the AP on here. Hit both sides really well with this. And then we're gonna come back across with Killer Hogs BBQ Rub. Gonna give it some amazing color and flavor. Not going real heavy on either of these. Let's give it a nice dusting. We'll flip them over and we're gonna repeat on the other side. Okay, we got our chicken thighs here ready to go on. You can see our workhorse is running right about 300. We're using oak today, oak splits for our fuel. Again, we're gonna try to run this keep it about 300. We're gonna give these about an hour. We're gonna come out and check them. Okay, we're a little over an hour in to this chicken. We're just gonna see where we're at. Yeah, we're sitting at 180. So 175, 176. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna wrap these. We're gonna put them in a pan with some chicken stock and some of our barbecue sauce. We're gonna wrap them in the pan nice and tight. We're gonna throw them back on until they're basically shreddable. It's gonna probably be about 200 degrees. So we're gonna get these off, get the fire stoked back up. They smell and look amazing. It's gonna be tasty. Okay, we're gonna pull this chicken off. Just gonna set them, put them right here in our pan. Sun's finally coming out. Good looking chicken thighs right there, y'all. You get these in, show you how we're gonna put the liquid in there, cover them with foil, we'll bring them back out and throw them on the pit. So what we're gonna do next on this pulled chicken is we're gonna put about 2 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock, whichever you have will work. We're gonna put it in the bottom of this pan. That's gonna be, you can see how much I have in there, just enough to cover the bottom. And today we're gonna be using some of the finest barbecue sauce there is. This is Killer Hogs BBQ Sauce, good stuff. We use this a lot at home and in competitions. We're just gonna come back and forth across with this. We're gonna cover this up real nice and tight with foil and put it back on there probably for another 45 minutes. Get these up to where they're nice and tender and shreddable. We're gonna go ahead and pull these off and take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, these are gonna be pull apart tender, 205. We're good. We're gonna pull these off. I'm gonna let them cool just a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull them. And we'll show you how we make a pulled chicken sandwich. Okay, so we got our chicken off. We've left it cool just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and just gonna take a couple forks here. You can see it shredding right apart, nice and easy. We're just gonna go ahead and shred this completely apart. And then I'll show you how we're gonna make it. Big old pulled chicken sandwich. Okay, so we got all this pulled about as good as I'm gonna get it. And we're gonna add just a little bit more seasoning to it. Again, this is just the Killer Hogs BBQ Rub. We're gonna toss it around a little more. Nice and tender, juicy. Lots of good flavor. Got some great smoke from that workhorse offset. Now we're going to show you how we build a sandwich. I'm going to start. I'm going to put a couple of these pickles down. These are Wickles pickles.
Wickles pickles.
Wickles pickles. Put a couple of these down on the bottom. We're going to add some of this chicken. Put a couple more pickles on top. Now I'm going to use just a little bit more of this Killer Hogs barbecue sauce. You don't need to add sauce, but that's how I like it. So we're just going to drizzle it a little bit. Put the lid on her. Big old pulled chicken sandwich. So we got our pulled chicken sandwich made here. I'm going to try to see how to attack this bad boy. So damn good. That chicken's tender, juicy. Pickles add a nice little pop to it. And that Killer Hogs barbecue sauce. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get some.